The Figma tricks you should know earlier.
Many new users don't know how to scale objects in Figma. It won't work if you directly drag from the corners, because it is using the Move tool, not the Scale tool. I like to use shortcuts V and K to switch between two modes. After selecting the Scale tool, now I can scale the artboard. See, when I hit V, switch to Move tool, it won't work again. However, even if you are in scale mode, you still can't scale by typing in a new number. But there are so many situations we need to change the UI component to a specific size. Now we can use one of my favorite plugins, called Scale. It's free. You can scale any object by changing the number. Also, you can change the size by percentage. We don't need to do math in our heads again. If you like the content, please subscribe to get daily Figma tricks.